So hi guys, today we will be learning how to solve the second layer of a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. Okay, so as you can see, this cube right now is solved up to the first layer only. So first layer means this layer, and the first layer solved means all the pieces should have the same color, should have white color. Corners color should also match with the center colors. These corners should have the same center colors. This should have the same center colors, and these edges and centerpiece should have the same color. So this is what a first layer solved means. Now we will be solving the second layer. And what does that mean? So this is this layer. This layer is the second layer. So this one, this one, this one is the second layer. Okay, alright. Now keeping the white on the bottom, we will always keep the white on the bottom to solve this layer. And what we want is, we want to fix these pieces, we want to solve these pieces. So this place should have a red and a green piece. This place should have a green and orange piece. This place should have a green and a orange piece. And this place should have a red and a green piece. And the centers are already solved, they are immovable. So we only need to have these four pieces solved. So let's start with any of the pieces. I'm just starting with this one, let's say. Okay, so this place should have a green and a orange piece. So now look for green and orange piece in the cube. Where is the green and orange piece? Where is the green and orange piece? So it will be in a edge piece. So this is a green and a orange piece. So this piece is already on the middle layer. To take this piece from middle layer to top layer, so we have two moves. So we will be using only two moves to solve the second layer. First move is, we will be replacing this fields with each other, these pieces with each other. Okay, so when we want to move this piece to the right side and this piece to the top, we'll use a right side move. When we want to replace these two pieces, we'll use a left side move. So let's start with the piece that is on the top. Let's start with red and green. I'll come to that piece also. So let's solve this piece first. So we want a blue and a red piece. Now solve for any of the pieces. Where is blue and red? So this is blue and red. So when we found blue and red on the top layer, what we will be doing is, we will be matching the color of the edge cube, the front color of the edge cube on the top layer with the center piece color of the middle layer, like this. Okay, so when these two colors are matched, now you have to see is, will this piece go towards right or towards left? How we will see it? Let's see. This should have a red and a green. So this piece won't go towards right. This piece, this part should have a blue and a red, and this is a blue and red. So this part will go towards left. So to move a piece towards left, we'll use a move, and that is U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime and F prime. So as you can see, this piece has come from this place to this place. Now this edge piece is solved. Now we will go for another edge piece. So let's choose any of the other. Let's choose this one. This should have a green and a red piece. So again, if we need a green and a red piece, we'll search for the green and red piece. So this is the green and red piece. Now move this. So this piece has green in front. So we will look for the green centers. Yes, so this is green center. So first step was to find the piece in the cube. Second step is to match the front color with the center color. Now when we have matched the colors, the next step is to see this piece should go towards right or towards left. So because the green and red, so this will go towards left. Yeah, it will go towards left. So again we will use the algorithm, that is U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So as you can see, this is also solved. Now two edges are remaining on the second layer. We'll choose any one. Let's choose this one. Let's choose this one. So here it should have a orange and a green piece. So search for orange and green piece in the cube. This is an orange and a green piece. So the next step is to match it with the center color, like this. Orange and orange should match. Now again the next step is to see if it should go to the right or to the left. In this case again it should go to left. It should go to left. So again U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. So this is also done. Now only the one edge piece is left to solve, and that is orange and blue. We will look for orange and blue in the cube. Where is orange and blue? So this is orange and blue. Now what we will do is we will move this piece on top of orange center. So this is orange center, right? And the next step is to see it should go left or right. This is already fixed. This piece should go towards right. And for the right, for moving this piece towards right, the formula is, or the move is, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U and F. So now you can see this complete layer is solved. This is what a second layer solved looks like. Now once again practice the two formulas that we used. First one was to replace the right side piece, these two pieces. So let's again try the formula. This is a yellow and a green. It should go here, and this green and orange should come up. These two will get replaced. Now try the formula. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime and UF. Okay, so this is how it was. This piece has come from top to this place, and this piece has gone to top. Now we'll check for the left one. So any piece, yes. Let's see. So this orange and red will go to this place, and this blue and red will go on top. So again we use the left formula, that is U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime and F prime. So you can see this. The top piece has come to this place in the middle layer. And this is how these two formulas works to finish the second layer. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.